Hey guys, we have free online textbook. Just click the link on the description below and you can access our vocabulary list, exercises, and listen to Japanese people speaking Japanese words and sentences to help you learn Japanese fast and easily. It's free. Bansa, kapan ni nani ga arimasu ka?
Ramen ya, kapu ramen ya, chocolateなどがあります。欲しいですか？
あ、いえ、結構です。ところで、バンさん、事務所に誰がいますか？
ティノがいます。
え？
もしもーし、ピーノです。仕事中です。もしもーし。
どうも、皆さんお元気ですか？ How are you guys? It's me again. Welcome to Lesson 10, Grammar Explanation. But before proceeding to this video, make sure to watch the vocabulary video so that you will understand the words that we will use in this lesson. では、始めましょう。So for today's topics, we will again discuss the verb arimasu. We will also learn the verb imasu. So the difference between arimasu and imasu. Our grammar point number 1, the noun ga arimasu and noun ga imasu. So the difference between arimasu and imasu is that arimasu is for plants, objects that cannot move by itself. This sentence simply tells the listener that a thing or a person exists. So in this first example, konbini ga arimasu, we will follow the pattern noun ga arimasu, konbini ga arimasu. So our noun is konbini or convenience store. It is a non-living thing or an inanimate object. So we will use arimasu. Arimasu means to exist. So we will translate konbini ga arimasu. There is a convenience store. So we will attach the particle ga to konbini, then the verb arimasu. Next example, ki ga arimasu. Ki ga arimasu. Ki, which means tree, and attach the particle ga, and then the verb arimasu. There is a tree. Now, for animate things or living things, we will use imasu. So imasu is for people or animals. In this example, ino to neko ga imasu. If you remember the particle to, ino to neko, dog and a cat. Particle ga imasu. Once again, imasu means to exist but for living things. So ino to neko ga imasu. There is a dog and a cat. So another example, otoko no hito ga imasu. So you attach the particle ga, then imasu because our noun is a person. There is a man. So you can also replace this noun. For example, Yamada-san ga imasu. Yamada-san ga imasu. There is Mr. Yamada. Now for our second grammar point, place ni noun ga arimasu and place ni noun ga imasu. We will use our previous pattern, the noun ga arimasu and noun ga imasu. Now we will add place ni. So once again, another use for the particle ni. It indicates the place of existence. Place of existence, then particle ni. Noun ga arimasu for non-living things, then place of existence, particle ni. Noun ga imasu for the living things. So this is used to say who or what is present in a certain place. For example, let's start with the verb arimasu. Watashi no heya ni reizouko ga arimasu. So the place of existence is watashi no heya. So it means my room. Watashi no heya. Then the particle ni. Then the object present is reizouko, refrigerator. Then the particle ga. And the verb arimasu. So there is a refrigerator in my room. Watashi no heya ni reizouko ga arimasu. Now, the example for the verb imasu, shokodo ni bansan ga imasu. Shokodo ni bansan ga imasu. The place of existence is shokudo, which means the dining room. Then the particle ni, and the person present in the dining room is Mr. Ban. So bansang particle ga. And we will use the verb imas because bansang is a person, a living thing. Now to ask what is present in a certain place, in this example, heya ni nani ga arimasu ka? So the place of existence is heya, room, then particle ni. And nani ga, what is? Arimasu ka? Present. What is present in your room? So we will answer the interrogative nani ga with the object that is present. In this example, he answered tsukue ga arimasu. Tsukue ga arimasu. There is a desk. So tsukue, then particle ga, object ga, the verb arimasu. For example, if you have a TV in your room, so you would say terebi ga arimasu. Terebi ga arimasu, or heya ni terebi ga arimasu. There's a TV in my room. Okay, our third grammar point, the noun wa place ni arimasu and noun wa place ni imasu. So on our second grammar point, we discussed what is present or who is present in a certain place. Now, we will discuss where an object is present or where a person is present. The person or an object is the topic and is marked with the particle wa. So we will focus on the place, the existence, the place of existence of a person or an object. Okay, in this first example, Jido hangbaiki wa shukodo ni arimasu. Jido hangbaiki wa shukodo ni arimasu. So our subject here is Jido hangbaiki, which means vending machine. Then the particle wa to make it our subject. Then the place ni or place of existence ni arimasu. Shukodo ni arimasu. It's in the canteen or it's in the dining room. Jido hangbaiki wa shukodo ni arimasu. The vending machine is in the canteen. Next example, Jeffrey sensei wa. So our subject is a person, so we will use the verb imasu in this case. Jeffrey sensei wa jimusho ni imasu. The place of existence is jimusho, the office. Then the particle ni imasu. Mr. Jeffrey is in the office. Next example, Universal Studio wa Osaka ni arimasu. So our subject is Universal Studio. Then the particle wa. It's Universal Studios. Particle wa. Then the place of existence for the Universal Studios is it's in Osaka. So we will attach the particle ni to the word Osaka. Then the verb arimasu. Next example, Josh sang wa. So the subject is a person, Mr. Josh. So we will use the verb imasu. Then the place of existence of Mr. Josh is in Yokohama. So we will attach the particle ni to the word Yokohama. Yokohama ni, then imasu. Mr. Josh is in Yokohama. Now, let's use the interrogative doko in this sentence pattern. Our first example was Universal Studio wa Osaka ni arimasu. Now, let's turn that into an interrogative sentence. Universal Studio wa doko ni arimasu ka? So the interrogative is doko. So it's asking where is Universal Studios located. Then we will answer the interrogative doko ni. So the Universal Studios is located in Osaka. So we will answer Osaka ni. Then the verb arimasu. Osaka ni arimasu. It's in Osaka. Now we can also use the interrogative doko using our lesson 3 sentence pattern. The noun wa doko desu ka? Noun wa doko desu ka? In this example, Universal Studio wa doko desu ka? Then you answered Osaka desu. Osaka desu. So doko desu ka? Osaka desu. So compared to this lesson, we are using the verb arimasu. So doko ni arimasu ka? Osaka ni arimasu. But they mean the same. Next example is Jeffrey sensei wa doko desu ka? So we will answer the doko desu ka with the place jimusho desu. Or you can use the sentence pattern place ni imasu. Jeffrey sensei wa jimusho ni imasu. Our fourth grammar point, noun no position. Noun no position. So this is noun 1 no noun 2. The noun 2 indicates a position. So noun 1 is a thing or a person or a place, then no position. Noun 2 represents a direction or position. For example, ue above, shita below, mae front, ushiro back, migi right, hidari left, naka inside, soto outside, tonari beside, chikaku near, or aida in between. It shows a positional relationship with noun 1. Let's see the example, tsukue no ue ni. So the noun 1 here is tsukue, that is the thing, and the particle no, and the position is ue. It means at the top of the tsukue, at the top of the desk. So then the particle ni, because we will use tsukue no ue as a place of existence, that's why we attach the particle ni. Next example is hako no naka ni. Hako means box, no naka inside. The word naka means inside, so hako no particle no naka, inside of the box. Then we attach the particle ni. Now let's look at the examples. Reizoko no ue ni. So once again, the meaning of reizoko means refrigerator. No ue, on top of the refrigerator, then the particle ni. So now this is our place of existence, the reizoko no ue. Then we attach the particle ni. Hako ga arimasu. Hako ga arimasu. There is a box. Next example, konbini wa eki no naka ni arimasu. So the convenience store, particle wa, is our subject. Then the place of existence ni arimasu. Eki no naka ni arimasu. It's inside the station. So eki is the place, no naka means inside, inside of the station. Particle ni arimasu. Another example, ginko wa, so the bank, yubin kyoko no tonari ni arimasu. So the noun 1 is yubin kyoku, the post office, particle no tonari. Tonari means beside or next to. Next to the post office, yubin kyoku no tonari. Then the particle ni, because it is our place of existence. Then the verb arimasu. Another example, koen wa, so the park. Koen means park. Then the particle wa. Gakko to yubin kyoku no aida. Aida means between. So if we will use the position aida, between, we must mention gakko, the school, and the yubin kyoku, the post office. Then we will use the particle to. The school and the post office. No aida, in between. Then the particle ni arimasu. It is between the bank and the post office. So another example is eki no chikaku ni. So we will follow the place of existence ni. Object ga arimasu. Eki no chikaku ni. Our place of existence is eki no chikaku, the near to the station. Eki no chikaku, the particle ni. And oishii restaurant ga arimasu. Oishii restaurant, a delicious restaurant. Particle ga arimasu. There is a delicious restaurant near the station. Next example, honya wa, so the bookstore. Konbini to hanaya no aida ni arimasu. Honya wa konbini to hanaya no aida ni arimasu. The bookstore is between the convenience store and the flower shop. Konbini to hanaya no aida ni arimasu. Grammar point number 5. Noun 1 nya, noun 2. This pattern is used to mention things or object from a list or from a group without mentioning all of the items. So in this example, Hakono naka ni, the place of existence, particle ni, object ga arimasu. Hakono naka ni, the inside of the box. Tegami ya shashin ga arimasu. So, object ga arimasu. Tegami ya shashin ga arimasu. There are letters, ya, pictures. So, inside the box, there are a lot of things, but you only mentioned the letter and the pictures. So, without mentioning all of the items present inside the box, we will use ya. So, you can translate this as etc. Another example is tsukue no ue ni. So, the place of existence is tsukue no ue. Then, the particle ni. Pen ya, hon ya, jisho nado ga arimasu. So, on top of the desk, there are a lot of things like books, ball pens, pencils, cell phones, and other things, but you only mentioned 3. In this case, he mentioned pen, penya, honya, jisho nado ga arimasu. And also, you can use the word nado. Nado is optional. Grammar point number 6, noun desu ka? So, noun desu ka can be used to confirm something from the listener. So, in this example, a person is asking someone. He said, "Sumimasen, excuse me. Kono chikaku ni honya ga arimasu ka?" Honya ga arimasu ka? Is there a bookstore near here or around here? So, he answered, "Honya desu ka?" A bookstore. So, he just confirmed the question or the thing that he is looking for. Bookstore? Ano biro no naka ni arimasu? It's inside that building. So, ano biro means that building, particle no, naka, inside. So, inside that building, particle ni arimasu. It's inside that building. So, this person, before answering the question of the person, he made it clear that he's talking about the bookstore. The bookstore? It's in that building. That's all for this video, guys. The next step is for you to visit manabutextbook.com so that you can access more exercises and examples for this lesson. Dewa, minasan, gambatte ne.
Minasan, kyo no lesson wa ikaga deshita ka? I hope you learned a lot in today's lesson. If you have questions, you can leave a comment below, and also you can follow me on my Instagram account. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future lessons. Dewa, mata ne. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ben. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button and leave us a comment down below. And if you want to learn more Nihongo, click the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified whenever we upload new videos. And if you want to know more about MANABU, just follow their page on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, see you on the next one. Ja, mata ne!